Hey everyone, my name is Mario Godoy. I'm an immigrant and I founded Godoy Law Office because I was tired of watching immigrants be taken advantage of by our system and by those that would do them harm. And I think that the best way to help is to make sure that we provide genuine and good information. So today I'm going to talk to you about a recent case that was decided personally by Attorney General Sessions, and that it limited the ability of individuals to gain asylum, particularly when it came to victims of gang violence or domestic abuse. For those of you who don't know about asylum, asylum is an application available to those people that cannot return back to their home country. And in the US, that person must demonstrate that he or she is physically present in the US and that he or she is unable to avail themselves of the protection of their home country. And this is because they've suffered past persecution or they have a well-founded fear of future persecution on the basis of protected grounds such as your race, your religion, your nationality, your political opinion, or if you're a member of a particular social group. So earlier this year, Attorney General Sessions invoked a rarely utilized power to certify a case personally to himself. And then this past Monday, he reversed a previous grant of asylum to a Salvadorian domestic violence survivor who had fled after suffering horrific violence, when her own government failed to prevent or stop it from happening. And in doing so, Sessions overturned and replaced 20 years of asylum law. And he turned back to a time when the United States wrongfully denied the protection to women fleeing gender-based persecution. Sessions disregarded the principle that every asylum case should be carefully considered on its own individual merit, and he directed adjudicators and immigration judges nationwide to do the same. And I think in doing so, he undermines the whole purpose of having immigration courts. The courts are supposed to be independent, but how independent can they really be when the Attorney General of the United States can overrule them, certify cases to himself, he hires the immigration judges, and everyone reports to Donald Trump? And it is this unfair and this failure of due process that has led me to found Godoy Law Office to stand as an advocate for immigrants. Just to put it in plain simple terms, in a study regarding asylum applications from 2012 through 2017, they found that asylum applications from Mexico, Central America, those applications were likely to be denied at a rate of 75%. Now contrast that to other countries, such as China, that enjoyed a 70% approval rate. So if you're affected or you know someone that is going to be affected, the best thing that you can do right now is work with an attorney to review the details of your case. You should be reviewing all possible immigration options, not just asylum. And if asylum is the only thing that you have, then you need to look at distinguishing facts in order to avoid the recent decision by the Attorney General.